Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Dhara Craft Creation. Today I will share this video tutorial of 3D pop-up card. So for this card I take a 12" by 5" paper. This paper pack is from Swati Craft Corner and the paper pack name is Fairy Charm. So I score at the 2.5 and 5 inches and fold it zigzag manner like this. Now I take one of the bottom part of the paper, and I love this paper a lot. It's a fairies and I just fussy cut it out and use as the decoration. Now I score at the 5 inches and 7.5 inches like this and just fold it as a zigzag like this. You can see. Okay. Now I take one strip which is 1" by 12 inches. And score at 5 inches and 7.5 inches. Fold zigzag and now apply the glue on it at the both end like this. Don't apply at the folding part and stick it like this. Okay. Now I take fussy cut out fairies and stick on this. Now I take a 0.5" by 12" strip and just divide into the part of 0.5, 2.5, 0.5, 2.5 and again 0.5, and last one is 2.5 and 0.5, right? And now I just fold it like this in the zigzag manner for the inner part like this. Apply the glue at the 0.5 and stick inside this box. Now I take some fairy elements and apply the acrylic sheet on it and stick like this. So yes, our card is ready now. Do try by yourself and don't forget to share it with us. And thank you for the watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for the more updates of tutorial and unique gifts idea. Okay. Thank you everyone. Happy crafting. Bye bye.